how to make a water rocket. My own Hootman. This is what you need. Bicycle pump, rubber stopper, a needle, and a root beer mug. It has to be mug. Push that through here. I have to push this through here. I cannot do it. You might have to use a drill.
For what?
To make this. Okay, water.
Okay.
Pour the water in there like that. There. Okay, see? Pour the water into the fire. You put this into here. Oh. What's that you put in there?
Nothing.
That's my mug, root beer, water rocket. The end.